Hi, this is the third video of the workbook solution series. Okay, this is for chapter 5 review. I'm not going to go through all the questions, just some a little bit trickier ones. So for this question, it looks simple enough. You just have to find the area of the big quadrant minus the area of the square, and then you will get the area of the shaded part. Okay, so first of all, what is the radius of the quarter circle? The quarter circle is basically this one. Okay, but how do we find the radius? I don't have this one, but this is half of my square, so meaning this is also half of my square. Yes, so if this is 8, this will also be 8 centimeter, and if this is 8 centimeter, this will be my radius from the center of the circle to the circumference. So the part A, the radius of the quarter circle, is just 8 centimeter. That is all. Okay, so second part, find the total area of the shaded part. So shaded part will be equals to the quadrant minus the square. Okay, quadrant, easy enough. By now you should know 1/4 times pi times radius, because we want to find the area, this area of a circle, so we times a quarter. So the quarter, so now since the question doesn't say anything about use pi as what, so we just use the pi in the calculator times radius. Since we know this 8 times 8, this will give us the area of the quadrant. So now how do we find the area of the square? Okay, some of you may make the mistake of using 8 as the length. Okay, 8 is not the length of the square. It's not this part, it's over here. And if this is 8, this whole thing is 8. So don't make a mistake of using 8 as the length, or else your square will be bigger than your quadrant. So now look at it this way. Okay. Area of the square is, look at this is a triangle. So this is the base of my triangle, and this will be the height of my triangle, right? So this is base, which is 8, and then if I know this is 8, this will be 4. So use the formula half times base times height to find the area of this triangle, and with times 2, we'll get the area of the square. So area of the square here is made up of 2 triangles. So equals to 2 times half times base equals 8 times height equals to 4. And then you will get the area of this square, So area of the quadrant minus area of the square, you will get the area of the shaded part. A quick one on this. So we want to find the perimeter of the figure. So the first part, quite straightforward, half times pi times diameter to get the arc here. So this will be the semicircle, half times pi times diameter. Okay, so if this is 32, and we know that this is a rectangle and a square, so meaning this part here will be 16. And so this is 16, this is 16, and this is 16. So how do we know what is this and what is this? We don't know. But if we add this and this together, so if I call this A, this B, A plus B will be equals to this one, 16. So the perimeter will just be the semicircle plus 16 plus 16 plus 16 plus A plus B also 16. Okay, then you'll get the perimeter.